For this song, right now you're going to keep a here-there motion on your lap, and then in a minute you'll sing it by yourself. Now remember, this song has a game, so after we're done with the video, go teach the game to someone else. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in her pocket. Now it's your turn to sing the song, and then you can go teach it to someone else. Ready? Tisket. I wrote a letter, dropped it, I dropped it. A little girl. Thank you for singing with me. Thank you for making music. Now go teach the song and game to someone else.